Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I am great, thank you. It is a lovely Saturday afternoon, very warm and sunny. And you, Jake, what are you doing right now?
Right now, I am sitting here talking to you.
Yes, and that is exactly our topic today.
Oh, how to talk about what is happening right now?
Yes, how to describe things that are happening at this moment.
That sounds very useful. I want to learn this.
But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start.
Let's do it.
We already learned the present simple tense. I cook every day. I walk to work. Those are habits, things you do again and again.
Right, like I drink coffee every morning.
But what if you were doing something right now, at this moment? Then we use a different form. We say, I am cooking, or I am drinking coffee.
I am cooking. That means right now, not every day.
Right now, this minute. The form is simple. Use am, is, or are, then add the verb with ing at the end.
Am, is, or are plus the verb with ing, like I am talking.
Exactly. I am talking. You are listening. We are learning. All happening right now.
I am talking. You are listening. We are learning. I like this.
Good. Let's practice with different people. With I, we use am. I am cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking.
I am cooking.
With you, we, and they, we use are. You are reading. We are studying. They are playing.
You are reading. We are studying. They are playing.
And with he, she, and it, we use is. He is sleeping. She is working. It is raining.
He is sleeping. She is working. It is raining. Same rule as be going to. Am is are.
That's right. Very good memory, Jake. And we use the short forms too. I am becomes I'm. She is becomes she's. They are becomes they're.
I'm cooking. She's working. They are playing. The short forms are faster.
Most people use the short forms when they speak. It sounds more natural.
Okay, I will use the short forms.
Let's practice. Tell me about your family right now. What are they doing?
My mom is watching TV right now. My dad is reading a book.
Good. And your sister?
She's studying for a test. She is always studying.
She sounds very hardworking. And what about your friend Tom?
He's playing soccer with his team right now.
Very good. You used the short forms perfectly.
I'm, she's, he's, there. Easy.
Now the important part, the ing ending. Most verbs are simple. You just add ing. Cook becomes cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Talk becomes talking. Read becomes reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G.
Easy. Just add ing to the verb.
But some verbs have special rules. If a verb ends with the letter E, we remove the E first. Then we add ing.
Remove the E. Like what?
Make, M-A-K-E. We remove the E and add ing. Making, M-A-K-I-G. No E in the middle.
Making, not making.
No, drop the E. Make, making. Dance, dancing. D-A-N-C-I-N-G. Write, writing. W-R-I-T-I-N-G.
Make, making. Dance, dancing. Write, writing. Drop the E and add ing.
Perfect. There is one more rule. Some short verbs double the last letter before ing.
Double the last letter?
Yes. Run, R-U-N, we write the N 2 times and add ing. Running, R-U-N-N-I-N-G, 2 N's.
Running, 2 N's. That is tricky.
Sit becomes sitting, S-I-T-T-I-N-G, 2 T's. Swim becomes swimming, S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G, 2 M's.
Run, running. Sit, sitting. swim, swimming. Double the last letter. I will remember.
Don't worry, it gets easier with practice. Let me give you a quick list. Regular, cook, cooking, eat, eating, sleep, sleeping. sleeping.
Easy.
Drop the E, make, making, have, having.
Have, having. Drop the E.
Double the letter, run, running, sit, sitting, stop, stopping.
Got it. Can I try? Right now, I am sitting in my chair and my cat is sitting next to me.
Great sentences. Your cat is sitting next to you?
She is sleeping, actually. She is always sleeping.
That is cute. Now, what about the negative? What if something is not happening?
How do I say that?
Add not after am, is, or are. I am not watching TV. Or the short form, I'm not watching TV.
I'm not watching TV. Simple.
She is not cooking. Short form, she isn't cooking. Or she's not cooking.
She isn't cooking. She's not cooking. Both are okay?
Yes, both are correct. They are not playing. Short form, they aren't playing.
Let me practice. I'm not sleeping right now. I'm not eating. I'm studying English.
Yes, you are. Very good, Jake. What about your cat?
She is not studying. She's not doing anything. She's just sleeping.
Your cat has a simple life.
A very simple life. What about questions? How do I ask about what someone is doing?
We put am, is, or are at the beginning. Are you cooking?
Are you cooking? And the answer is yes, I am, or no, I'm not.
Exactly. And the most useful question is, what are you doing?
What are you doing? I hear that question every day.
Very common. You can also ask, what is she doing? What are they doing? Is he sleeping?
What is he doing? Is she sleeping? Are they working? Like that?
All perfect. Let me ask you some questions now. Jake, is your cat sleeping?
Yes, she is. She is always sleeping.
Are your parents watching TV right now?
Yes, they are. My mom is watching a cooking show.
Is your sister studying?
No, she isn't. She is eating lunch right now.
You answered every question, and some words tell us we are talking about right now. Right now, at the moment, now.
Like yesterday for the past and tomorrow for the future.
Exactly. Also, look and listen. These words often come before present continuous. Look, it is raining. Listen, someone is singing.
Look, it is raining. Listen, someone is singing. That is easy to remember.
Great. When you hear look or listen, think present continuous.
What about at the moment?
Same thing. I'm reading a book at the moment. She's cooking at the moment.
I'm learning English at the moment. That is true right now.
It is. Now, let's try something fun. Let's pretend we're on the phone.
On the phone? Like a phone call?
Yes, I am calling you. We will describe what we are doing and what we see around us.
I love this idea. Let's go.
Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hi, Jake. It's Judy. What are you doing right now?
Hi, Judy. I'm sitting on my sofa. I'm watching a cooking show on TV.
A cooking show. What is happening on the screen?
A chef is making pasta. He's cutting vegetables very fast, and he is putting everything in a big pot.
That sounds fun. Are you cooking too?
No, I'm not cooking. I'm just watching and eating chips. My cat is sleeping next to me. She's not watching. She doesn't care about cooking shows.
Cats never care. Is anyone else at your house?
Yes, my roommate is here. He is cooking dinner in the kitchen.
A roommate, that is a person you live with. And almost, remember, we need ing. He is cooking dinner, not he is cook. Cooking.
Oh, he is cooking dinner, not he is cook. I need the ing, always.
Good. What is he cooking?
He is making chicken and rice. It is smelling so good.
We usually say it smells so good. Present simple. Some verbs like smell don't use ing.
Really? It smells good? Not it is smelling good?
Right. We say it smells good and I like it, not I am liking it. A few special verbs describe feelings or senses. They use present simple, not ing.
Okay, it smells good. I like it. Not everything uses ing.
Don't worry, most verbs use ing. Just remember like, love, want, know, and smell. These verbs usually use present simple.
I like pizza. I know the answer. I want coffee. All present simple. What are you doing right now, Judy?
I'm sitting in a cafe. I'm drinking coffee and reading a book.
That sounds nice. Is the cafe busy?
Yes, it is. Many people are sitting here. The woman next to me is working on her computer. She's typing very fast. Two friends are talking and laughing near the window, and a man behind me is eating a sandwich.
That sounds so nice. I want to go to a cafe too.
Come tomorrow. What else do you see from your sofa?
Let me look outside. Oh, it is raining. People are walking with umbrellas. A dog is running in the rain, and a child is jumping in what is the word? A small pool of water on the ground?
A puddle. 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 Great word, Jake. And you used so many ing forms.
I'm getting better at this.
You really are. Let me describe my cafe one more time. A woman is making a new drink behind the counter. The music is playing softly, and the rain is falling outside the window. Everything is happening right now.
I can see it in my mind. Your cafe sounds so nice.
Now remember the difference between present simple and present continuous.
You mean like I cook and I am cooking?
Yes, I cook every day. That is a habit. You do it again and again. Present simple.
And I am cooking right now. That is happening now. Present continuous.
She works at a hospital. That is her job. Every day. Present simple.
And she is working right now. That means at this moment. Present continuous.
One more.
I drink coffee every morning. Present simple. I am drinking coffee right now. Present continuous.
That is a perfect example, Jake. One more. It rains a lot in London. That is always true. Present simple.
And it is raining right now. That is what I see outside my window. Present continuous.
Exactly. You understand the difference very well.
English has so many rules, but I like these rules. They make sense.
They do. And the more you practice, the more natural it feels. You don't think about the rules anymore. You just speak.
I hope so. One day I will just speak without thinking.
That day is coming, Jake. I believe in you. Now let's do a quiz. I will say a sentence with a missing word. You complete it. I will tell you the verb. Ready?
Ready.
Number 1. Right now, she blank a book. The verb is read.
She is reading. Right now, she is reading a book.
Correct. Number 2. Look, the children blank in the park. The verb is play.
The children are playing. Look, the children are playing in the park.
Number 3. I blank not blank TV right now. The verb is watch.
I am not watching. I am not watching TV right now.
Number 4. Blank he blank dinner right now. The verb is cook.
Is he cooking? Is he cooking dinner right now?
Number 5. We blank English at the moment. The verb is study.
We are studying. We are studying English at the moment.
Number 6. Be quiet. The baby blank. The verb is sleep.
The baby is sleeping. sleeping. Be quiet. The baby is sleeping.
Number 7. My friend blank a letter right now. The verb is write.
My friend is writing. writing. Drop the E. My friend is writing a letter right now.
Number 8. Right now, I blank to music. The verb is listen.
I am listening. Right now, I am listening to music.
8 out of 8, and you remembered the spelling rules.
I love this. Present continuous is fun.
Everyone listening, practice right now. Look around you. What is happening? Say it out loud. I'm sitting on the bus. My dog is sleeping. It is raining outside.
Even one sentence is great. Look around and describe what you see.
And now you know 4 tenses. Present simple for habits, past simple for yesterday, going to for future plans, and present continuous for right now.
4 tenses. My English is growing every week.
It really is, Jake.
Thank you, Judy. I loved this lesson.
Okay, let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned.
Today we talked about the present continuous, how to describe things happening right now.
Yes, use am, is, or are plus verb ing.
Good. And remember the ing spelling rules.
For questions, put am, is, or are first.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
I learned a lot today.
Me too. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, thank you, everyone. It was fun.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks
Give this episode a like.
and share it with a friend.
Now we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
What are you doing right now? Tell us in your comment. Use I am plus ing.
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.